everyone. Happy Tuesday. I took the weekend off once again from being on social media, and then Monday rolled around, and guess what? I was enjoying being off of social media far too much. But I'm here now. Better late than never. Today I am working on some shirts and some admin stuff. I'm hopefully going to get in the shop in a little bit later. Did deliver those 2 desks on Saturday, so that's all gone. That's all done. Yeah, buddy. Now it's time to work on some smaller projects, some miscellaneous things for my family and friends and myself. And my new tool is coming tomorrow. I'm so excited about that, so I'm ready to focus on that. Until then, though, I'm going to be a bit all over the place, which is how it's been the past couple of weeks. Just trying to truck along, get shit done. Okay, I'm going to get back to getting shit done, and I'll see y'all later. Okay, bye. Alright guys, I'm in the shop and it's time to start refinishing this console table. Now this piece, I actually did price out building it, and my price to build it was so much higher than what it would cost them to buy the piece from a box store and have me refinish it. So that's the route that we're going with. Now, why is my price so much more? Every woodworker out there knows. It's the little things. It really is. 1, quality of materials. The materials that I would have been using would be significantly better than this. These plywood edges right here, left, untouched, unedge banded. Yeah, not leaving my shop looking like that. This hardware, the screws that don't match the actual handle, not leaving my shop looking like that. These drawer slides, wobbly, not even attached properly. Nor are they soft close or anything, of quality. Not leaving my shop looking like that. These little spacers here, what the? These reveals, do they even have a tape measure? I mean, come on. Also, the giant gaps in the joinery, the lack of joinery, or whatever you want to call it. Not leaving my shop. So, just looking at it right off the bat, those are the types of things that really set apart a custom woodworker from a box store. This is mass produced. No one cares how long it's going to last you. When you buy from me or another woodworker, you're buying an heirloom. You're buying something that you are going to hand down to your kids and their kids, and it's going to be in the family for ages until someone doesn't realize the value of it and puts it at the bottom of their driveway, and then they're like, hey, it's free. Just take it. Get rid of it. I don't want it. It's ugly. Don't you dare do that to my pieces. Anyway, back on track here. Let's focus. So anyway, I am going to be painting this. I gotta get it sanded down and then get some paint on it, and that's about it with this. So I'm doing that, but now you know what you're really getting when you buy in store versus when you buy from a handmade person. This is made in a factory. Everything else I make is made right here with these 2 hands, which you can't see my other one, but look, here it is, another hand. Okay, I gotta get out of here, bye. That's a wrap for today. Sure enough, the entire thing is MDF. And you know what's funny is they didn't edge band the drawers, but they edge banded all of the MDF. Like, you're doing it, just keep doing it. Like, what are 4 more drawers on top of all of that edge banding? Oh man. All right, so I definitely have more to do. I'll be working on that tomorrow. Some areas I'll be able to use the orbital sander, but a lot of it I'm gonna have to finish by hand. So my hope is to get this primed tomorrow. I think that is a doable thing. I just hope that tomorrow will be a little bit cleaner. Then again, I love being dirty. Okay, I gotta get out of here. Have yourselves a good day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Everyone, happy Wednesday. Yep, pretty sure that's right. I am back at the console table today. Just going to finish sanding it, getting some primer on this before the day is over. I also have a ton of admin and shirt orders and prep for my new tool, all that has to get done today. So, I'm going to be kind of doing a mad dash, so no dilly-dallying here, people. I'll make my mother proud with that lack of dilly-dallying. Okay, I'm out of here. Have yourselves a good one. Bye. Well, guys, the new tool is here. And it's massive. Getting it through that door and up those stairs and into my office, might be a little bit of a challenge, but I am so excited. Hey guys, just checking in from my lovely new office. Isn't it just so beautiful and comfortable? I did make it feel a little bit like home, but this is not where I belong. However, do you guys think that I measured my new tool to fit through my office door? No, I did not. It will fit through my front door. It will fit up my stairs through the stairwell, but it will not make it through my office door. So, this is the only place it can go. Guys, I'm such an idiot. I can't believe. Oh my goodness. On that note, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. I got the second coat of primer on the console table first thing this morning. Now I'm working on some shirts. And I've already moved my chairs all downstairs and my lighting because I have training today on my new tool. Am I gonna share with you what the new tool is? Yes, I've dragged it out long enough. I will eventually share it with you. However, it's still not even in my house. At the moment, let's see if you can see it. It's under that tarp, waiting for the text to get here to bring it in because with my wrist, I wasn't able to really be of any use to my husband trying to get it in the house. So I'm like, you know what? Let's throw a tarp over it, wait for the text to get here. They can bring it in. They can deal with it if they mess anything up. I don't want that on me, you know? All right, I gotta get back to doing this before they get here. I will catch up with all of you later. Have yourselves a great day. See ya. All right, guys, it's time. Training has officially concluded. I feel well armed and ready to run my new laser! Yeah! A lot of you have guessed that that's what I got. Some of you said some wild things and they really entertained me. But nope, it's a laser and I could not be more excited about it. It's an Epilogue Fusion. It is 24 by 24, so massive cutting area. I mean, we really put it to use today already, scorched it a bit on the vector grid. It's not a big deal. We made something with my brand name. They showed me how to make this pretty little picture of my dog. And we worked on glassware. Put my name on this Guinness glass because yes, I can now do glassware. So with that being said, be on the lookout for new offerings coming soon. Be on the lookout for a whole bunch of changes that I'm not even ready to talk about, but they're coming. And they're going to involve things like this and things like this. And I don't even know. The possibilities are going to be endless, and I'm super excited about it. And if you want to see your logo on things, I am officially your girl. Oh, yeah. All right, I'm going to go have some lunch because I am starving, and then I'm going to play. I'm going to play all day. I can't wait. Okay, goodbye. Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. I'm working on shirts again this morning. Got a few of them getting ready to head out in the mail today. Because I had to move my office to my basement, well, obviously I'm still set up here. Before I can physically move all of my desks and everything down there, I need to clean down there. Like, legit go through all of our crap, reorganize everything, because all I did was shove everything to one side the other day just so that we could get the laser in. Now I actually have to go figure out what I'm going to do down there and what my future plans are for that. I have to say, though, I think it's going to be a blessing in disguise because there's been so many times in this room where I'm just like, I don't have enough space. I just don't. I get too much going on between all my different avenues of business, like, I need more space, so I think it's really going to be a blessing in disguise. So, anyway, that's what I'm up to today. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Well, I got through just about everything I needed to today, so I decided to play around with the laser for just a few minutes. Tried out some different materials than I had learned how to use in my demos or even in my training. So that was pretty fun to kind of venture out on my own. Also starting to do some of my own designs. So I actually recreated my business cards. These are my official ones on just, cardstock. I recreated it on cherry. And it actually came out really good. Sorry for the lighting. It's tough down here. They came out really good. I literally did an exact recreation of them plus just the rounded edges. And I love how they came out. Man, when I say the possibilities are endless, I mean it. So if you want some of these, hit me up. I mean, if you have a ready-made file like an SVG or a DXF or EPS, I can work with that. It's going to be really awesome. Really also worth mentioning that as I'm learning how to use this, I'm going to be doing discounted rates for a little while I learn. Because, you may not get a perfect product, but you're going to get a product and it's going to still look pretty damn awesome because it's an awesome machine. It just may not be as flawless as it will be in the future. But, you can save a few bucks. If you want to get in on that kind of stuff now, then definitely hit me up and we will talk. And, I keep saying it, the possibilities are endless. Whatever you can imagine, whatever it is that you want with your logo on it, DM me. Chances are, it can happen. I was laser engraving a t-shirt earlier. If that doesn't blow your mind, then I don't know what will, okay? All right. I gotta get out of here. I'm having just too much fun. I really am. I hope you guys are enjoying this little new avenue of my business. Anyway, I'm out of here. I'm probably not even going to be on here very much this weekend. I've been really enjoying just putting my phone down and walking away on the weekends. It's been a very healthy change for me. I will still check in, so if I see some DMs, especially regarding stuff like this, I will try to hop on and chat, but no promises. All right, I will see you guys later. Have yourselves a good weekend. Bye!